buddy. Norfolk Southern. Way down there. Another one? Another one already? How is there so many trains here? You want to stand out the roof? Okay. I hear train 2. It's a big one. Did he honk at you? Look at that, dude. Oh, that one's turning. Oh, that's cool. No way. See how the GoPro time lapse went. Yeah. Just another best day ever, huh, buddy? All right, scoot over, Buster.
Let's close the sunroof so we can be nice and warm.
You want me to close the sunroof to be nice and warm?
Yeah.
Okay. Should I start the car and turn the heat on? Now we can't hear the train.
Well, we can see it.
Do you see it going down that turn down there, Joseph? Can you see how the cars are moving? Yeah, it's going from this track over to the next one. Joseph, this spot is great.
He saw me.
How many trains have we seen already? 20? I don't know if we've seen 20, but we sure have seen a lot. Get off. You're an animal.
No.
Look at all these trains, bro. There it goes. That's wicked that it moves like that. Hey, last car.